Hello and welcome back. We're back on the PK. So what we're going to be doing, you might as well come and join me, and we're going to take the engine out of the PK so you can laugh at me when I hurt myself. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put it on a tripod in a bit, but you've got some goodies. So we've got BGM flavour oil seals. So we're going to try them. I'm not a huge fan on BGM, especially the electrical work on the Lambrettas and that. I don't touch BGM electrical stuff. Since Team Pacemaker, check out his YouTube channel. He's always having a nightmare with BGM starter plates. So good of him, he's put me off BGM, anything electrical. So I won't be touching that. So we've got BGM flavour of oil seals. Can't go wrong with that, can we? Or can we? SKF bearings. We've got another cowling. Just a cheapy cowling that I do, you know. Back on that. As I said in the previous video, I don't like those cylinders being open. It's not my style, especially in modern day traffic. No good. Got some trunnions to do the cable work once it's done. Got a PK clutch puller. I've no idea. We'll figure that out. And we've got some gaskets. So, and obviously you've seen the cables in the last video. So one thing good about this phone is much clearer. It makes my garage look a lot brighter. So yeah, let's take the beast out. Take the carb off before I break it. That stone's getting worse. Got 3 wires down here. Green, black, and green. I still don't know if I got them right yet. I don't have a clue, but for now, I'm just going to mark them just so I know. That's all I need to make sure one side is done. I've already disconnected all of it anyway, because as you see by the cables, look how long they are. Don't have a clue what they came off. They're even too long for a PX, so don't know. Don't matter now, we've got new ones. Just going to do this video of us taking the engine out. In the next video I will show you me filming doing the engine rebuild and that. Well, these bits and bobs of it anyway. keep dropping, you're not going to break on. And it should land them up first. Thanks for all your subscribers and that. Do appreciate it. As I said in my last video, I lost my other YouTube channel because of Google couldn't verify my email, or so I couldn't sign into my YouTube. Pain in the ass. So now for the fun bit. So I start my YouTube all over again. Oh, didn't want that. Ah, she's right. She's good. One engine out. It's got the cleany banana exhaust on. Well, let's start taking bits and bobs off it. So in this video we're just going to take the exhaust off on the wheel. That's actually made in Germany, this tyre. Metzger. I don't know what that says. Do you know what that says? Metzger. Don't know what flavour of tyre that is. So yeah, we're gonna pop you here if I can. A little bit of paste. Now I can take the exhaust off. So there's 14mm this one. Back there's 15. Oh, you do not take it right off. Okay. I now know. Oh right, I get ya. Yeah, it's got like a little, oh, you would see it, or you might see it. take these exhausters off. What flavour spanner is this one? I'm going to say 10 mil. Oh yeah, 10 mil. So write down in the comments if you own a PK as well. Be interesting to know. So this is actually a Mark 1 PK, 1983. Been off the road for over 31 years, surprisingly. So it could be good to get it back on the road again. It needs to get back on the road. It deserves it. But that's one thing I don't like anyway. It's a fucking exhaust. Pain in the ass. So in this video we're just going to take the exhaust off, take the wheel off, I'll try to. Oh, that's one of them, is it? It's one of those where you can't take the nut all the way off because it then hits the fucking exhaust. Where have I seen that before? Freelanders. Right, you fucking stay on there. So I don't have a clue when this engine's been rebuilt, if it's ever been rebuilt. I do not know. I don't know. One exhaust. See, there it is. You don't have to take it right off. You can literally just slacken the nut off a little bit and then pull it out. I didn't know that, but now I do. Not bad. I think I might. No, I got the crappy skinny type for that one. Anyway, that's the exhaust off. That weighs nothing. Let's take this. Small tin I'll take. Got no safety pin on it. Ooh, nice. Nice again. Wow, that was easy. That was easy. Christ. The brakes actually alright. Bit rusty, but that's normal. Brake shoes are okay. That'll pass for now for a few, I don't know, years. No, it'd be safe enough to go on the road and ride around anyway. Yeah, put it back on. No play as such. Nice. Quite clean actually, not too bad. Yeah. Anyway, that'll do for this video, and I'll make another one tomorrow, stripping it down a bit more further. Thank you for watching.